Halo, let me introduce myself. Nariska Yuning Tias, NIM A15 2023 02647. The Mother Nature. Long ago, in a remote village, there lived a mother and her little girl named Mita. In a harmonious community, a village surrounded by dense forests, green rice fields, and clear rivers, they live simply and peacefully. The sound of bees chirping and the gurgling of water accompany their days. The sky is always bright blue and the air is cool and fresh. However, that peace began to be disturbed when a large factory was built on the edge of the village. Black smoke billowed from factory chimneys, polluting the air and blackening the sky. Factory waste is dumped haphazardly in the rivers, making the water cloudy and smelly. The trees in the forest are cut down to make raw materials, leaving behind barren and arid land. The mother often told me that her village used to be clean and well maintained. My mother and I walked around the yard of my village and saw fish swimming freely, and the riverbank was covered with shady trees which made the river look beautiful and healthy because it was covered with lots of plants. The forests are very well maintained and are even full of with a lot of trees. The sound of birds singing carefully breaks the silence of the morning. However, now the story turns sad. The ancient forests have been denuded to illegal logging. Rivers that were once clear have now turned murky due to factory waste and people throwing rubbish carelessly. What humans do is not good because it can affect natural health. By throwing rubbish carelessly, we can also indirectly kill the fish that live in rivers because they are poisoned by polluted rivers. When forests are cut down, burned, or converted into agricultural land, animals lose their homes. When forests are cut down, burned, or converted into agricultural land, animals lose their homes. This can cause them to have difficulty finding food, shelter, and breeding grounds. Wild animals are increasingly rare because their habitats are disturbed. Animal extinction can negatively impact humans in a variety of ways. Animals help pollinate plants, control pests, and provide a source of food and medicine. Losing animals can disrupt the balance of the ecosystem and have fatal consequences for humans. In this day and age, many people deliberately want to destroy the natural environment. Forests that were once lush have now become barren forests because of the lakes. Smoke air pollution due to forest fires can seriously disrupt human breathing and cause disease. Forest fires have a big impact on the animals that live in the forest too. The animals lost their homes and coast to come down to the homes of local residents and will disrupt them with their riots and will harm local residents. Over time, the health of the village community began to decline. Many suffered from respiratory and digestive disease. Animals in the forest are starting to become extinct due to loss of habitat, soil fertility decrease, resulting in reduced crop yield. Nature is being damaged by human greed, and in the first we think too much about natural resources without thinking about their impact on the future. We have polluted the air, water, and land with toxic waste. We have cut down forests and burned wetlands, leading to loss of habitat and biodiversity, and it causes the forest to because no plant grow. I know an adult studied bitterly at the remains of the old tree. Her story is a reminder for all of us. Nature is friends, shelter, and source of life. We cannot use nature excessively or arbitrarily, because destroying nature is the same as destroying our own future. Some the time that point to humans south as factory waste, river pollution are often caused by irresponsible disposal of factory waste. Sadness enveloped my village. The natural beauty they were once proud of has now disappeared. The laughter of children playing in nature was replaced by the choke and most of sick people singing the sadness and suffering of the community and natural damage caused by factories. In the midst of the destruction, a little girl named Mita stood with tears streaming down her cheeks. He remembered his mother's story about the past when nature was still beautiful and pristine, when humans live in harmony with nature without destroying and polluting it. Mita knew that she had to do something. She could stand by and watch nature be destroyed by greedy humans. She must raise people awareness about the importance of preserving nature. With his determination, Mita began to gather his friends. They learned about natural damage and how to repair it. They made posters and banners and started going around the city to spread information to the public. Initially, many people didn't did care about Mita and his friends because they consider that natural damage is a normal and trivial matter, and that humans have the right to exploit natural resources for their own interests. However, Mita and his friends did not give up. They kept trying to spread their message, and slowly they started to gain support from the public. More and more people are starting to realize the importance of preserving nature, and they are starting to take action to protect the environment. Together, they stated process and demonstration. They demand that factories stop pollution and repair environmental damage. Mother directed me to invite people to take care of nature again. They plant trees in deforested forests, clean polluted rivers, and rebuild the mixed ecosystem. Finally, after the struggle rise public awareness about the importance of preserving nature, people are starting to change their habits for the better, and factories are starting to implement more environmentally friendly technologies. Nature is starting to recover, and the sky is bright and clear again. Their struggle was not in vain. After months, the factor finally bowed to the community demands. They began to apply environmentally friendly technology and build better waste processing system. The noted forests are starting to turn green again, and polluted rivers are slowly recovering. Humans are finally starting to realize the damage they have done. They began to take steps to protect nature. They create laws to limit pollution and protect wild animals. They plant trees and preserve forests. They develop technology that is more environmentally friendly. The village people cheered red, happily, blue skies and fresh air on sea. A guy graced their village. The sound of birds chirping and gurgling water could be heard again. Village communities have proven that with determination and cooperation, humans can fight natural destruction and rebuild harmony. Humans can fight natural destruction and rebuild harmony with the environment. Mita and his friends have shown the world that with determination and hard work, we can change the world into a better place. However, there is still much to be done. The make that has occurred will take a long time to repair. We must all work together to protect nature for future generations. We must remember that we are part of nature, not above it. We depend on nature for our sustainability. We must respect it and protect it. Nature is a precious treasure. We have to take good care of it. Don't let human greed destroy our natural beauty and endanger our health. Let us together preserve nature for a better future. We must learn from the past and not repeat the same mistake. We must preserve nature as well as possible so that the earth remains a beautiful and comfortable place to live in for all living creature. After a long and sharing process, Mita and his friends success. Thank you.